Hi, it's another season, that Christmas season that everybody gets crazy. Like, I don't understand why everybody just be buying, spending because it's Christmas season. Well, it's so awesome. Today is my kids' Christmas party. We got to show them back to back, very delicious abacha. I'll be preparing this yummy delicious abacha from Isuochi. We are from Isuochi and everybody literally enjoys this abacha. If you don't have a friend from Isuochi, you will have someone that knows someone from Isuochi. So this time, let's prepare. So to make this abacha today, I'll be doing the English pattern. Yeah, the English pattern, not the Ngo pattern. So to make this, we'll be needing our onions, diced already, tomatoes. We'll be using some crayfish, just salt and seasoning. You don't need to spice this for too long, okay? Then fresh pepper or dry pepper, anyone you have. Then we'll garnish it with smoked fish, dried fish, any fish of your choice, and then Pomo for just that. Our let's go. You show me that this add it, you show the pot. Sit on the pot now. I'll add salt and seasoning. You see this now? You see it? This one. You see this one? I'll garnish it. Tomato. Don't make it too long, but all these videos I'm making them for. It's okay. First I'll add I'll show you what I'm adding. My tomatoes. Stop. Not the remaining seasoning and salt. And then the remaining fish. It's okay. Now this part, we'll allow it to. I have to give it a good mix. Show my face. I want to say something. I have to give it a good mix. At this point, our abacha is very much ready. I will come to the pot. No, please don't forget to select your abacha when you are. It's okay now. Now, so check for salt and added some salt and some little water. Okay. So guys, our food is ready. Can you? Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye.